Asv Rc60. Missing the top hood, but that lets us see the engine very easily. There's your little cat diesel. We got 4 new glow plugs in it. Right there. You have a new water pump in it. Right in there. Other than that, engine seems pretty dry. Arms aren't all wallowed out. And guys, here's why it needs tracks. When you go on and run these things, those middle bogey carriers, your lugs, are 8 off. So there's your outside, there's your drive one. And they go around your gear. When they get ripped off, you don't move no more. And I know that's a double negative. There's your bogies. Has hydraulic fluid on it because we blew a lift cylinder line on this yesterday. And we have replaced it. It's got a new lift cylinder line. Arm pins look good. Lift pins look good. There's your quick attach. Bucket was just a bucket we had laying around, guys. It's got pitting heavy in the corners, but it still works as a bucket if someone wanted to put a little bit of metal into it. There's your cat joysticks, and for those who think I'm kidding when I say that, right there I mean it, cat joystick. Cat and ASV kind of hung together when they made these. Cat took the undercarriage and ASV took the engines and some of the other components. But there you go, Asv Rc60. This side looks a lot better. Obviously you can see it's got all the bogies. The other side is missing 2 or 3 bogies, but everything seems to be there. Also this side, same deal, needs a track. Someone just didn't want to tighten one right or what have you. But there you go, guys. And I'll give you a look here on the inside. Now the seat has a seat cover on it, but it is tattered here in the corner of the front of the cushion and stuff. But the cab's not 8 out. It's dirty, but it's solid. Your auxiliaries are there, your 7-pin electrics there. We got 2349 hours. I'm gonna glow plug it.